What's up, guys? I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Welcome to my channel. I'm new here and wants to add value to your life as an architect and interior designer. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more home improvement tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into something super important for anyone building their dream home or just giving their current one a makeover with floor tiles. Trust me, this is a game changer. Let's be honest, nobody wants to walk into a house with boring floors, right? A stunning floor can set the tone for the entire home. As an architect, I've seen firsthand how the right floor tile can make or break a space. It's not just about looks, it's about functionality and durability too. It's like choosing the right shoes for an outfit. It can completely elevate your style game. The perfect tile can add that wow factor to your home. So, whether you're a seasoned homeowner or just starting out, get ready to become a floor tile pro. We're going to cover everything you need to know. Welcome to Floor Tiles Crash Course in Understanding the Basics and Beyond. Today, we're going to explore the diverse world of floor tiles available in India. From traditional to modern, there's something for everyone. As an architect, I've seen firsthand how the right floor tile can transform a space. Let's dive in and discover the endless possibilities that Indian tiles have to offer. First up, we have the reigning champions of the flooring world, which is vitrified tiles. These tiles have taken the market by storm, and for good reason. These bad boys are like Virat Kohli of tiles. Consistent, reliable, and always deliver a solid performance. Whether you're renovating your home or setting up a new space, they never disappoint. They're made by baking clay at super high temperatures, which makes them super tough and stain resistant. This process ensures that they can withstand the wear and tear of daily life without losing their charm. Plus, they come in a range of finishes, glossy matte, you name it. Whether you prefer a sleek, shiny look or a more understated matte finish, there's a vitrified tile for every taste and style. Think of them as your go-to option for high-traffic areas like the living room or kitchen, where spills and foot traffic are a daily occurrence. They handle everything from muddy shoes to spilled wine with ease. And the best part? They won't burn a hole in your pocket. You get all these amazing benefits without having to spend a fortune. You can find good quality vitrified tiles approximately in range of 300 rupees per square foot. So if you're looking for a cost-effective, durable, and stylish flooring solution, vitrified tiles are the way to go. Even when exposed to harsh sunlight, the tile colors do not fade away. This color permanence feature also makes it an optimal choice. These floor tiles' thickness typically are 1/2 inches and may vary as per brand. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more sophisticated, let me introduce you to the world of porcelain tiles. These are like the luxury sedans of the tile world. They're made similar to vitrified tiles, but with finer clay and fired at even higher temperatures, making them even stronger and more resistant to water damage. Because it is a non-porous material, it becomes extremely hygienic and ideal for very frequent uses. And let's talk about the looks. They often mimic natural materials like stone or wood, giving your home that premium, elegant vibe. Sure, they might cost you a bit more than vitrified tiles, approximately in range of 400 rupees per square foot. But trust me, the durability and the luxurious feel are worth every penny. These floor tiles' thickness usually are just above 3/8 inches and may vary as per brand. Alright, now let's talk about something a bit more unconventional. Metal tiles. Yes, you heard that right. These tiles are not for the faint of heart, they're for those who want to make a bold statement. Imagine walking into a room with gleaming copper, brass, aluminum, or sleek stainless steel floors. Talk about making an entrance. They're super durable, easy to clean, and perfect for adding a touch of industrial chic to your home. But be prepared to shell out some extra cash, as these beauties can set you back upwards of 1,500 rupees per square foot. Common thicknesses range from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch and can vary as per brand. Now we will see about cement tiles, which has vintage vibes only. For all you old souls out there who love a touch of vintage charm, cement tiles are the way to go. These tiles are like that antique piece of furniture passed down through generations, full of character and stories to tell. They're known for their intricate patterns and vibrant colors, adding a touch of personality and history to your space. And the best part? They age like fine wine. The more you use them, the better they look. Plus, they're super durable and relatively affordable, approximately in range of 300 rupees per square foot. Standard thickness of these tiles is 5/8 inches. Thinner tiles, 3/8 inches for some sizes, are available via special order. Not all patterns are available in all sizes and may require a custom mold. Now the oldest gentleman, who is granite flooring, the OG of luxury. Let's be honest, when we talk about luxury flooring, granite is the OG. It's like the Amitabh Bachchan of the flooring world, timeless, classic, and always in style. Granite is a natural stone, so each slab is unique with its own distinct pattern and color variations. It's also incredibly durable and heat-resistant, making it perfect for kitchens and areas with high foot traffic. Honed finish gives granite tiles a matte look and a more natural texture. Honed granite is best for flooring in non-slip resistant areas or areas with high traffic. Now, granite can be a bit on the pricier side, approximately in range of 600 rupees per square foot. But hey, you're investing in a piece of nature that will last you a lifetime. Granite floor tiles are available in standard thicknesses in 3/8 inches too. Now about the lady who is marble flooring, the royal treatment. If granite is Amitabh Bachchan, then marble is undoubtedly Rekha, elegant, sophisticated, and always makes a statement. Marble flooring is like draping your home in luxury. It's smooth, it's cool to the touch, and it instantly elevates the ambiance of any space. But with great beauty comes great responsibility. Marble requires a bit more care and maintenance than other flooring options. Honed finishes work well on marble tiles in high traffic areas since they won't scratch as easily as the polished marble would. Honed tiles are also less slippery. However, they can stain more easily, so watch the sealant and make sure it's reapplied at a regular interval. It's prone to staining and scratching, so you gotta be a bit more careful. And be prepared to splurge because marble doesn't come cheap, approximately in range of 1,000 rupees per square foot. Marble countertops typically come in standard thickness of 3/4 inch and vary as per selection. Let's now connect with glass tiles, which believes in reflecting your style. Now, for those who love a bit of sparkle and shine, let me introduce you to the world of glass tiles. These tiles are like those dazzling disco balls. They reflect light, add depth, and create a sense of openness in any space. They're perfect for backsplashes, bathrooms, or even accent walls. These tiles' thickness usually is 1/2 inch and vary as per selection. Plus, they come in a wide array of colors and finishes, so you can really let your creativity run wild. Just be mindful that glass tiles can be a bit slippery when wet, so it's best to avoid using them in high traffic areas. Glass tiles require only about half the energy to produce as ceramic tiles. Now it's about evergreen ceramic tiles, the budget-friendly all-rounder. Let's face it, not all of us have unlimited budgets for home renovation. But that doesn't mean you have to compromise on style. Ceramic tiles are here to save the day. They're like the trusty Maruti Suzuki of the tile world. Reliable, affordable, and always get the job done. Ceramic does not facilitate the development of bacteria and hence does not deteriorate. They come in endless design options, from simple and classic to bold and trendy. Plus, they're easy to clean and maintain, making them perfect for busy households. And the best part? You can find them starting from as low as 100 rupees per square foot. Ceramic tiles can vary in thickness, but floor tiles are usually between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch thick. Let's now collect ourselves for mosaic tiles, for the artists at heart. If you're someone who loves intricate details and wants to add a touch of artistry to your home, then mosaic tiles are your jam. These tiny tiles are like the building blocks of creativity. You can find many preset mosaic patterns or really get creative and make your own. Another great benefit is that mosaic flooring is durable and waterproof, which is why it's common in bathrooms and are also often used in kitchens, laundry rooms, mudrooms, and sunrooms. They're perfect for adding a touch of personality to bathrooms, kitchens, or even as accent pieces in your living room. 3/4 inch size and 1/8 inch are nominal thickness industry standards, which means these tiles can mix and match with a wide variety of brands. Just be prepared for a bit of a challenge during installation, as working with such small tiles requires patience and precision. Now it's about godfather of all floors, that is wooden flooring, which is bringing the outdoors in. There's something undeniably cozy and inviting about wooden flooring. It's like giving your home a warm hug. Wood adds a touch of nature, warmth, and elegance to any space. Plus, it's surprisingly durable and can last for generations with proper care. Now, wood flooring can be a bit more high maintenance than other options, but hardwood flooring is very easy to maintain. Regular sweeping, vacuuming, or washing with a mop are enough to clean the floor. In case food spills and dirt deposit, it can be cleaned with a wood cleaner, and it is back to its elegance. You've got to be careful about scratches, spills, and humidity, and it's definitely not the most budget-friendly option out there. Its thickness could be 7/8 inches and may vary as per selection. Let's now together see magic of terrazzo flooring, the comeback kid. Remember that flooring you used to see in your grandparents' house? Well, guess what? Terrazzo flooring is back and trendier than ever. It's like that old Bollywood song that gets remixed and becomes a chartbuster all over again. Terrazzo is made by mixing marble chips or other aggregates with cement or resin, creating a unique and durable surface. Good terrazzo has a smooth surface that is a mixture of 70% or more coarse marble aggregate and 30% or less Portland cement matrix. It's perfect for high-traffic areas and adds a touch of retro charm to any space. Plus, it's relatively affordable, approximately in range of 400 rupees per square foot. The terrazzo itself is usually 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick and is placed on a 1/2 inch thick bed of mortar. So there you have it, folks. We've taken you on a journey through the vibrant and diverse world of Indian floor tiles. Your crash course on the amazing world of Indian floor tiles has hopefully given you some inspiration and ideas. Remember, choosing the right floor tile is like choosing the right life partner. It's a big decision. It's not just about looks, it's about finding something that complements your lifestyle and stands the test of time. You gotta consider your style, your budget, and your lifestyle. Are you looking for something modern and sleek, or perhaps something more traditional and rustic? But with so many options available, from ceramic to porcelain and even natural stone, you're sure to find the perfect match for your dream home. Take your time, explore different textures and patterns, and envision how they will look in your space. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on more awesome home improvement tips and tricks. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. And for all you eager beavers who want to start browsing tiles right away, I've left links to some of my favorite Indian floor tile retailers in the description box below. These retailers offer a wide range of options to suit every taste and budget. Until next time, happy renovating! May your home be as beautiful and unique as you are.